To make Mutton Karahi, a delicious and spicy Pakistani dish, you'll need the following ingredients. Ingredients: 500 grams, 1.1 pounds, mutton, cut into pieces. 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. 3 to 4 green chilies, slit lengthwise. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Half cup plain yogurt. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped, for garnishing. 3 to 4 tablespoons cooking oil. Salt to taste. Here's a step-by-step guide to making Mutton Karahi. Heat the cooking oil in a deep, heavy-bottomed pan or karahi over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they become golden brown. Add the ginger and garlic paste to the pan and cook for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Now, add the mutton pieces to the pan and cook on high heat until they are browned on all sides. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once the mutton is browned, add the chopped tomatoes, green chilies, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and salt. Mix well and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes are soft and well incorporated. Lower the heat and add the plain yogurt to the pan. Stir continuously to avoid curdling and ensure that the yogurt is well mixed with the spices. Cover the pan and let the mutton cook on low heat for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until it becomes tender. You can also use a pressure cooker to reduce the cooking time. Once the mutton is cooked, increase the heat to medium-high and cook uncovered for a few minutes until the gravy thickens. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. Sprinkle garam masala powder over the mutton and mix well. Cook for another minute to allow the flavors to meld together. Remove the Mutton Karahi from heat and garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Serve the delicious Mutton Karahi hot with naan or rice. Enjoy!